Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel, the Shears family. Today we're going to be doing a mukbang, yo con mi esposa, y vamos a hacer también un
Q&A.
a Q&A.
Yes.
We're going to be asking some questions each other and
To see if we know each other.
Yeah.
And we really, really know each other.
A ver cómo me va.
And towards the end, we're going to have 3 bonus questions. And those are more like personal questions. That's towards the end.
So, I say let's begin.
Okay. So we got Popeyes. Because quería Popeyes. ¿No te vas a servir?
Ahorita.
Pásame la hoja. So let's start with the question, no?
Yeah.
Who starts? You start or I start?
Let's paper, rock, scissors.
Okay, y la question que te salga, you're going to be answering it for me. If that makes sense. To see, it's a question like about the opposite. Does that make sense? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Paper, rock, scissors, tornado.
I know, bien, no. It's 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1.
Okay. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot.
You're gonna answer it like my answer, basically.
Where was I born? So where were you
Yeah,
born?
where were I?
In Los Angeles, California. In LA.
In LA. I was born in LA. And then you were born in Houston, Texas.
Oh yeah.
Those are he has the Astros, them cheaters. So my question is, when did we get married? We got married in May 23rd of 2015.
So how do I answer that? It's the same answer.
It's the same
No,
answer.
yo me había casado en otra parte.
Oh, okay. Cheater. Here. You want to keep on going or you want to eat?
No.
I'm hungry.
Favorite animal?
Crap,
Your favorite animal?
that means
You don't like animals. I'm gonna say a dog. A dog?
that's what you think that's my favorite animal? Piénsale, mijo. Piénsale.
Yeah?
No.
No? It's because you don't like really animals?
Monkeys.
Oh, monkey.
I love monkeys.
Hey, what about me?
Your favorite animal is it's a bulldog. He's been wanting a bulldog since forever, but no. I don't
And
like
as soon as YouTube hates, I'ma buy it.
monkeys. And I love monkeys.
We can't buy monkeys though.
But I love them. My turn, right? What was my first job? So basically, what your first job was? Whataburger? That was your first job.
No,
Yes, that was your first job.
it was McDonald's.
No, it was Whataburger first, then McDonald's. Yo me acuerdo.
Okay.
When was my first job?
En el restaurante de tu tío,
Doing what?
hostess.
Yeah. I was a hostess. Where do you got that one?
I remember. I remember. Vacation destination, beach, or mountains? Oh, ¿a dónde quisieras ir? A beach or a mountain?
For a vacation, yeah.
Mountain. Snow and everything in the
No,
mountains.
no. But yours también, right? Mountains?
Yeah.
Yeah. But the thing is when I was little, we would love, siempre nos gustaba ir a la beach. Like, that was our favorite place to go. But then now as we got older, the last time we took our kids, like we had horrible experience. Like the kids didn't like the sand, and it was really hot that day. Like it was horrible. So I think that spoiled the beach thing. And then now we've been really wanting
Estaba
to...
bien salada el agua.
I don't know, it was just, we had a horrible experience. So now, we've been wanting to go, like, to snow. So, yeah, that's our favorite now. Even though we haven't been, but we want to go. So, my turn. My turn, right? My turn?
Mm-hmm.
What is my age? So your age. Ya estás viejito. Yeah. And you just turned 29. You just turned 29. Even though that's how que ya está viejito.
No se queda atrás, she's 28.
I'm still a baby. Tú ya estás viejito.
Whatever. I'm barely in my prime time.
Whatever.
Alright.
Ah. Where's the napkin?
Salty or sweet? Like
Food. Can't be nothing else.
you like both?
Do I?
No. You like sour and sweet. En la comida. But you're more of a salty person.
Dame. I don't like nor salty or sweet. I like them in between, like agridulce. Like I'm not really a sweet person or a salty person. Like it has to be in the middle. Like that's why I think I like I don't know, Thai food and Chinese because they're like in between. You are a we chose Popeyes, so that's salty. You're like either really salty or really sweet because there's time skip. You really se te antoja everything sweet, and then there's times that you really want sweet. It's salty. So tú sí estás either or. I'm in between. No hemos agarrado nada malo, ¿verdad? My turn.
Échale pichón.
Favorite movie? Oh, this is easy. And it's easy because he even made our wedding theme this movie. Which I didn't mind because I like it so. It's a Lion King.
Yep.
We had a
The
Lion
Lion
King
King.
theme wedding.
Oh yeah.
My favorite
Because I'm the
movie-
king of the jungle. That's why.
Okay. El jungle de tus hijos.
Yep.
Hey, yo no quiero ir, papá. My favorite movie?
Like cartoon or favorite?
Ay, a ver.
Yours is
Adivínale.
Pocahontas. No?
Movie? Is that your final answer?
No. Independence Day. No. No.
I don't know.
Kazam. No?
No.
Kazam.
Wow.
Up.
It's one of my favorites, but not the favorite.
It's because you don't really have a movie that you can be like, oh, I can watch that movie again and again and again and again.
Por eso, what's your final answer?
I'm gonna have to go with
Damn.
Up.
Even because I told you it was one of the favorites, but not the favorite one, I actually gave you like. So, okay, so that's your final answer?
Yeah.
Meet the Robinsons.
Oh, that's the airport.
I love that
Yeah,
movie.
that's right.
Meet the
Totally
Robinsons.
forgot.
I like Up
It's because
to.
it's not in Disney Plus, so I don't really.
I didn't say it had to be in Disney Plus.
No, I know, pero like como ahorita like.
Yes, it is. Oh no, it's on
No.
Netflix. It's on Netflix. Anyways, Yeah, I love up too, pero
No, I forgot.
me
Sorry.
throw it. I'm talking about nadie ha agarrado nada wrong.
Sorry.
You failed.
Sorry.
Yeah. Pocahontas is my favorite princess, but not the favorite movie. So, no. Your turn.
Vamos a ver. What were my electives in school? That's easy. You just said it yesterday.
I had already wrote down the question before we were even talking
It's
about that.
Choir and athletics. Got it right. I know for sure I got
I
it
know
right.
because of my daughter, she's planning on choosing for next year's elective, so the conversation came up about. And that's the only reason. Si no, no te la supieras. And yours were art and band.
I was raised in school, people.
Art and band.
Stay in school. Okay, next question.
Me, right?
No.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because you read that one. What was the last question? Oh, this is, where did we meet? We met intermediate, 7th grade, science class. Uh-huh. Yeah, we did. So, entonces, ¿dónde?
In my dreams. man.
Shut up!
No, yeah, I was in intermediate.
Intermediate, since
In
7th
Bondi.
grade.
Yep.
That was a long time ago. That's why I tell him que ya está viejito.
Next question.
Well, that was it for the. We know each other. That was it. You failed. I got
Why?
100. Because you didn't guess my movie.
I only got one wrong.
But you still failed. I won.
Technically, I still passed.
No, you failed. You lost. You're a loser. Dame a mí uno.
No, because I'm a loser.
Dame uno. Yo no quiero. And then, bonus questions are, I'm gonna ask you and then I answer mine. So the question number 1, personal question is, one thing you regret. Like anything, anything, my whole life.
Not staying in school. Even though I don't really like school, but I know. But yeah, I guess, yeah, staying in school.
Me too. I will regret not graduating with my class. That's what I. Because I mean, even now, there's a lot of ways that you can finish school, like homeschool or like.
Yeah, I
GED,
finished my school.
Like GED. There's a lot of ways you can still graduate, but not graduating with my class. Like missing out of that experience. I remember. So yeah. Number 2. What would you like to change about yourself?
My eating habits.
You're eating. Oh. Or,
Yeah.
as in like what you eat, or as in like the amount you eat?
What I eat. Because I don't really eat them. Así bastante.
I eat more.
Exactly. And I'm fatter than her. So yeah, like.
What you do is snack a lot. He snack like no come mucho, but he snacks like a lot, like during the night and Coke. Yeah, a lot of Coke. What I would like to change about myself, yeah, that's hard. My weight, I guess. My weight, like the también. I don't know. Because back then, like, I was in athletics, right? So back then I was, like, really, well, not fit, but, like, I was skinnier. Like, my whole family's skinny. So I guess that, like,
I would change your attitude.
I don't have an attitude. What do you mean by an attitude, though?
I don't know.
Why would you change it if you don't even know? That's a lie. No, I would change, like,
Like, te prende bien rápido. Like, you get mad. Well, no, not really. She gets mad, and she gets mad for days. I get mad, and I get over it, like, de volada.
That's a lie.
No, it's not. Because we can get, like, argue or whatever, and she still...
But we
like,
hardly argue.
Yeah, I know, but when we do, it's like World War III. No, not really. But, like, when we do, like, me dejas de hablar, like, for days.
That's a lie, too. Days, Ernesto?
What was this place?
Yeah, because you like spacing.
Okay, not days, but days. Like, she won't talk to me, like, for the rest of the day. And I don't. That's one thing I'll change from you. Get over it, honey. Get over it.
But you're cheating because
Why?
these were personal questions. This wasn't like about the other
I just
person.
had to let it out. I still love you, though. I love it. Came down.
Whatever. Third question. One thing on your life's bucket list. So bucket list that you have like on your personal life. It's something that you really like to do or learn or accomplish or anything.
Meet Kai Sorma. He's a YouTuber.
Kai Omar?
No, I'm kidding. That's
Don't lie. You can love him.
no, pero that would be with JJ Watt. I would love to meet JJ Watt.
Meet JJ what?
Like, ir a comernos unos tacos juntos.
So you mean like not just meet him, like have a day with him?
But I think that's considered like a bucket list thing.
Why not? Because it would never happen? Or why?
One thing's in my bucket list, is to go to Dubai. Even though I don't know how that's going to be because I don't like going in planes, but...
Exactly. So...
But that's one of my things, to go to Dubai.
So, ir a Dubai.
Mm-hmm. This thing's spicy.
Pues, you like spicy?
I know, pero ahora pica más.
They hicieron fresh. I have two. But one of them is to like, and we were just talking about it last time, right? I would really, really, really love to like...
Marry me.
I'm already married to you. I would really, 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 really love to learn how to ride a horse. Like really, really ride it. Like, que nadie me ayude, que nadie le agarre la boca. Like, for me to actually like dominarlo, a horse. That would be really, really nice. And then my second one is to be a, ¿cómo se llama? I forgot the word. When you do the voice for a cartoon or cartoon movie animation, when you do the voice.
A voiceover?
A voiceover, huh? To a animation movie. I would really want to. That's something I would really love to do. Cause that's something que una movie that's gonna stay forever, and your kids will have that, and your grandkids will have that, and like they'll hear your voice. Like I don't know, I just.
Sería una ratita.
Or something. I don't care what it is, but I would love to do a voiceover for a animation movie. It's pretty exciting. But yeah, that's it.
That was it?
No sé, ¿ya terminaste de comer? ¿Ya te enchilas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was all your questions?
Yep.
Alrighty then. Well, I guess that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. That's the end of our video. It's a little Q&A. We're barely starting our channel, so if you see anything wrong, just bear with us. We're still learning and everything.
We're learning, yeah.
And I mean, we're still gonna keep on bringing videos. We're gonna try to bring videos once a week. And just if you like the video, go ahead and like it. Subscribe to our channel if you're new.
Give us a big thumbs up.
Yeah, turn on your little bell so every time we upload a video, you get notified when we upload a video. That'll be all.
Cálmate, professional.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Big thumbs up.
Bye. Córtale, mi chavo. Déjame comer. Ah, no, no, se lo.